Welcome Princess Cruises viewers. It's a great day to be here at the Salmon Bake. My name's Lisa and we've been here at the Salmon Bake for about 28 years now. Our parent company is celebrating its 40th year in business right now. Alaska Travel Adventures does a variety of tours throughout Southeast Alaska, and we're happy that you joined us on this one today. I've been here, this is my 12th season now, and I've been on the grill for about 5 years, and I can't ask for a more beautiful place to work and better customers to work with. You'll find a nice tasty variety of salads and side dishes. When you get into the hot buffet, we have reindeer sausage, baked beans, some beautiful cheesy potatoes, delicious rice, a great chicken for people who are a little afraid of the salmon. But this is definitely the highlight of the day. You guys picked a beautiful day to come and visit us. So while you're here, you get to have a bunch of different types of tasty foods. But we're not just about the food, we're about the beautiful setting as well. First thing we'd like to have you do is take a walk up to our waterfall. It's a very short walk up a very level path, and it's just gorgeous up there. Suggest it. Come back again in a month and you'll see some baby eagles being trained on how to fish. The big show here is our alder grill, where we take wild-caught Alaskan salmon. We cook it over an open fire. We don't do anything to it, we let the alder do the talking.